they were working on a challenge called AAA, and it gives us a file to download, a binary file to download, and it says the category is poem. So let's open this up in Ghidra. So when we look at the main function in Ghidra, we see that it puts enter username and password separated by spaces. It prints that out, and it sets the variable of local C is equal to 0, and it's an integer, and it uses the vulnerable function gets, and that will come in a later challenge. But if local C isn't equal to 0, it will cat flag.txt. So in order to make local C not equal to 0, we will need to overwrite the variable, maybe change it so will buffer overflowed. So we see that the size of the buffer local 28 is the length of the buffer is 28. So if we have like maybe characters exceeding that, we'll maybe leak out some memory or overwrite some variables. So we want to overwrite the variable of local C to something else so that it's not 0. So in order to do that, we'll maybe spam A 28 times and add something to the end of that, and whatever's added to the end of that will be the value of local C. So in order to do that, we can use the Python. So you can just do something like Python 3. So we will use the print function, and we'll spam A 28 times plus something that isn't 0. So something that isn't 0 is maybe like U. So maybe U isn't 0. So, and then we will connect to the port. And just copy this here. Fast way to do it. And when we let's try again. Okay, so now it worked, and here it gives our flag. So how about let's submit it to the bot. And we've just solved the challenge A.